Come on guys, let's now start solving question number 5 from September 2024 RTP for CA Foundation Accounting. This one is on bank reconciliation statement. Let's start reading. According to the cash book of Mihir, there was a balance of 4,45,000 in his bank account. Oh, Mihir, rich boy, you have 4,45,000. On 30th of June, on investigation, you find that there are some differences. Come to the end of the question, see what are they told at the end of the question. You are required, what are you required to do? To make appropriate adjustments in cash book. This means we should prepare amended cash book. To make appropriate adjustments in cash book means we need to do amended cash book. Why do we do amended cash book? To rectify the errors if any. So we'll go on reading all of these 7 adjustments. Out of these 7 adjustments, if there is any adjustment which is timing in nature, it will appear in BRS after amended cash book. If any of these 7 adjustments are non-timing differences, we will write them in that adjusted cash book or amended cash book. What do you mean by non-timing difference? Non-timing difference means error or omission in cash book. It is error or omission in cash book which needs to be rectified. If it is not an error or omission, it will be reconciled. I hope you people understood. To prepare a statement reconciling it in the passbook. So basically what appears in the amended cash book is non-timing differences, and what appears in BRS is the timing differences. Let's quickly start. Read the first adjustment. Before that, I will take this bank balance as per cash book 4,45,000 in my amended cash book. So always remember to first prepare the amended cash book and then prepare the BRS. So in my amended cash book, I'll write two balance brought down 4,45,000. Okay. So I've written 4,45,000 in my amended cash book as two balance brought down. What do we have after this? Checks amounting to 60,000 issued to creditors have not been presented for payment till date. This is timing difference. I have given the check. Checks is been issued. I have given the checks. So I will write the entry in my cash book, but they have not written the passbook yet. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. Please listen. In my cash book, I will identify the balance to be carried forward to BRS. In my BRS, I would write balance as per amended cash book as starting point. I will do some add or less to arrive at balance as per passbook. Always it is amended cash book first. Rectify the errors. And whatever is the balance that is there in amended cash book, that will become the starting point for BRS after amended cash book. Got it? So this is timing difference. Timing difference, I'll keep it in green. If it is non-timing difference requiring adjustment, I'll mark it in red. Now, quickly read this. Checks amounting to 60,000 is issued. When it is issued, I have written entry in my cash book. See, C for cash book, P for passbook. I have written the entry in cash book. When I write the entry in cash book, balance as per cash book will decrease. 60,000 I have given the check to creditors. I have decreased my cash book balance. But passbook nalli entry bardilla. Why? Banker has not yet received the check for clearing. Banker has not yet cleared it. Cash book balance has reduced. Passbook balance has not reduced. Now see, can you see the P? No. You can see the P only when they're in the same line. You get it? Now, cash book balance has gone down, passbook balance has not. Can you see the P? No. In order to see the P, either you would have to see up or you would have to P down. What is in your control? See. What will you do? See up. Correct or not? What will you do? See up. See up. Add. No. You have to add to which balance? Cash book balance. To which balance are you adding? Cash book balance. So this is timing difference. So in my BRS, I would write add. Checks issued but not cleared. How much? 60,000. Did you understand? Very good. After this, checks paid into bank 1,10,500, out of which 55,000 was only collected by bank up to 30th of June 2024. See, I deposited 1,10,500 rupees worth of check into bank. Banker has cleared 55,000. 1,10,500 minus 55,000. Please do it. 55,500 is check that I have deposited but not cleared. 55,000, no, I deposited. cash book balance increased. Banker cleared, passbook balance also increased. You can see the P, no problem. 55,000, checks deposited, checks cleared, you can see the P, no problem. Balance 55,500 is there, no, out of 1,10,500. You have deposited the check. Cash book balance has increased, but the banker has not yet cleared it, banker has not yet received it, passbook balance has not increased. So, can you see the P? No, you cannot see the P. In order to see the P, either you have to P up or C down. What's in your control? C. What you do? C down. Sir, C down like this, no, C down. C down means minus, no. This is timing difference. What is this difference again? Very good. So, I would write here less. Check deposited but not cleared. 55,500. Another way of seeing is I've deposited 1,10,500. Cleared is only 55,000. Difference is 55,500. Cash book has to be reduced by 55,500. Understood? I'll repeat once again. Timing differences appear in PRS. Non-timing differences appear in amended cash book. Okay. Read the third adjustment. Dividend of 4,000. Illi tappide. There is dividend of 4,000 and rent amounting to 60,000 is received by the bank and entered in the passbook but not recorded in cash book. Error of complete omission. Banker has received 4,000 dividend. Banker has received 60,000 rent. Banker has increased the passbook balance. Passbook balance has gone up by 60 and 64,000. Cash book entry barde. Until and unless you write the entry, cash book balance will never increase. This is error of complete omission. This is non-time. Idu time inda agiro tappalla. Now madiro tappu. It is an error. We should rectify. So cash book balance has not increased. Passbook has increased by 60 and 64. Can you see the P? No. In order to see the P, either you would have to P down or C up. What do we do? C up. Alva. But this is non-timing difference. Will I write it here? Add? No. I would have to write it here. Add is nothing but receipt. Alvenri. I'll write 2 dividend, 2 rent. How much dividend? How much rent? 4,000 dividend, 60,000 rent. Okay, now after this 4,060, I'll go to 4,000. Insurance premium up to 31st December 2023 paid by the bank 2,700 not entered in the cash book. Oh, silence. Banker has paid insurance premium, so passbook balance has decreased. We have not written entry in cash book, so cash book balance has not decreased. Banker has paid the premium, passbook has decreased. We have not written the entry, cash book has not decreased. Can you see the P? No. In order to see the P, either we should P up or C down. What's in your control? C. What we do to C down. Andre we should minus salva. But this is an error, yeah. Insurance premium. You should have written no. Timing, non-timing. If it was timing, I would have written here minus. Because it is non-timing, I would write it amended cash flow. Elli bariyodu payment. Why? Credit. It's minus. Insurance premium. Yes to 2,700. Okay now. After that, fifth one. Next one. Payment side of the cash book had been undercast by 500. In the cash book, you done some mistake. Undercast means what? Reduced. Let us say you paid 500 rupees to somebody. You did not record it. It's actually not recorded. It is undercasted. Meaning, let us say you paid somebody 5,000 rupees, but you recorded only 4,500. 500 rupees is not recorded that way. You got it? Payment is undercasted. Your payments is 5,000. For example, payments is how much? 5,000. You recorded payment as 4,500. Basically, you have undercasted your payments by 500. When you decrease your payment, that will increase your closing balance. Let us say I have 1,000 rupees in my pocket. Ivagilla. Assume that I have 1,000 rupees in the pocket. Okay. Better 1,000 better. Let's say assume I have 2,000 rupees in the pocket. How much? 2,000. I paid you 500 rupees. I paid how much? If I pay 500, how much will be there in my pocket? I forgot to record 500 payment. How much will be the balance? 2,000. Are you getting it? So if you don't record the payment, closing balance will be more. If you don't record the payment, closing balance will be, you got it. How much did you not record the closing? How much did you not record the payment by? If you don't record the payment by 500, no, closing balance will be more by 500. If you don't record the payment of 500, closing balance will be more by. So payment is made, bank balance reduced by 500. In cash book, you did not write. So cash book is not reduced by 500. I repeat, payment is made. So passbook is reduced by 500. You have not recorded in cash book. So cash book is not reduced by 500. Can you see the P? No. In order to see the P, either P up or C down. What's in your control? C. So you'll see down. Alva. C down means minus. Am I right? Is this timing or non-timing? Non-timing difference. Yeah, error. Should have recorded, no. So I'll write it in amended cash book. If it was timing difference, I would have written in BRS. So I'll write here by. What is that item? Error rectification. How much is that? 500. Or I can say payment undercasted. By payment side undercasted, now rectified. Okay, now very nice. What's after this 500? Bank charges of 150 shown in passbook, not entered in cash book. 150 rupees bank charges. Passbook balance has gone down. Cash book, you did not write the entry. Error alva. It will come in amended cash book. Can you see the P? No. What should you do? C down. Cash book or BRS? Cash book. Non-timing difference. I'll write here by bank charges 150. Is that okay? Did everyone get it? What is it after bank charges of 150? Then the next item is bills payable of rupees 20,000. Bills payable of rupees 20,000 has been paid by the bank but was not entered in the cash book. Oh, banker has paid 20,000 on our behalf. Passbook has gone down, but we have not recorded. Further, bills receivable of 6,000 had been discounted with bank at a cost of 100, which had also been not recorded in cash book. I can either write both together as one item or separate also. Shall we write separate? Okay, together better, separate. 20,000 bill is paid by the bank, passbook balance has decreased, cash book there is no entry. What should I do? I should pass now the entry in cash book. Non-timing difference, error needs to be rectified. Cash book balance has to be reduced. I will write payment 20,000. Shall I write payment 20,000? I would write here bills payable 20,000. After this, bills receivable, there is an adjustment. Have a look. Bills receivable of rupees 6,000 had been discounted with the bank at a cost of 100. 6,000 rupees worth of bill, I took it to banker and then told, okay, banker, I need money immediately, take this bill and give me money. Banker cut 100 rupees and give me 5,900. What is the value of the bill? 6,000. When I gave the bill, bills receivable, bill of exchange, discounted with the banker, I gave 6,000 rupees worth of bill. Banker cut 100. How much will bank give me? 5,900. When banker gave 5,900, my cash book, my passbook balance has increased by 5,900. But which had also been not recorded in cash book. Cash book entry paradilla. Should write no. It's an error of omission. We need to rectify it by writing it in cash book. Am I right? Amended cash book. So I should do C up at receipt. Shall I write receipt? How much is that receipt? 5,900. 6,000 minus 100. And by that we finished all the adjustments. What do? Identify the balance in amended cash book. Take it to BRS. 4,45,000 plus 4,449 plus 60 plus 5,900. I'll write 5,14,900 minus 20,000, 150, 500 and 2,700. I will get 491,550. This 4,91,550 is the correct bank balance which should go to balance sheet. This is after rectifying all the errors. After rectification, we'll do reconciliation. I'll write 491,550 is the balance as per amended cash book. If we do reconciliation of plus 60 minus 55,500, we'll get 4,96,050 as balance as per passbook. Did everyone get it?
Yes, sir.